Today we're going to talk about how you can become rich in your 20s. This is a question that many young people ask, and I'm going to give you some practical tips that can help. In this video we'll discuss 5 important points that will help you on your financial journey. So let's get started. Friend, time is money. You've heard this before, but it's really important. The sooner you start saving, the more your money will grow because of compound interest. Compound interest is like magic that makes your money grow over time. For example, if you invest 10,000 rupees at age 20 and it gives a 10% annual return, it will become more than 1 lakh by age 30. If you start the same investment at age 30, you'll only have 50,000 rupees by age 40. So you can see how important it is to start early. Now you might be thinking, if I don't have much money, how can I save? Look, it's not about how much you save, it's about whether you start saving or not. You can save even 10% of your income, or you can start with just 500 rupees. The important thing is to create a budget and allocate some money for saving. You can reduce your expenses like unnecessary shopping, eating out, or expensive outings. You can save a lot of money by simplifying your lifestyle. You also need to remember that saving doesn't mean depriving yourself of everything. You should spend on yourself too, but it should be planned. You can allocate some money for entertainment in your budget, but it shouldn't affect your overall savings goal. Starting to save is a habit that can change your life. So start today and secure your future. Friend, think of yourself as an asset. Before investing in any company, you do research, you analyze because you want a return on your money. Similarly, investing in yourself is just as important. Invest in your knowledge, skills, and personal development. Competition is fierce today, and you have to constantly learn to be successful. You can learn new skills, take online courses, or read books. Keep yourself updated with the latest industry trends, and keep improving your skills. This will make you valuable in the job market and increase your earning potential. Not just technical skills, soft skills are equally important. Communication skills, problem-solving skills, and leadership skills will help you advance in your career. Personal development is also very important. Work on your personality, increase your confidence, and develop a positive attitude. All these things will help you succeed in life. Investing in yourself is a continuous process. You always have to be ready to learn and grow. Remember, the best investment of your life is yourself, so invest in yourself and make your future bright. Chapter 3. Friend, depending on a single income stream can be risky. Job security is low these days, and anything can happen. That's why it's important to have multiple sources of income. Side hustles are a great option for generating extra income. You can use your skills to do freelance work, online tutoring, or start a small business. Investing is another good option. You can invest in stocks, mutual funds, or real estate. Investing gives you long-term financial security, and your money keeps growing over time. Passive income is also a very good option. Passive income is income that you receive without much effort. For example, rental income, dividend income, or income from online courses. Having multiple income streams gives you financial freedom. You are not dependent on one job and you have multiple sources of income. Creating multiple income streams takes time and effort, but it's very important for your future. So start thinking today about how you can diversify your income streams. Chapter 4. Friend, this is very simple but very important. You shouldn't spend more than you earn. If you do, you can fall into a debt trap, and that can damage your financial situation. Budgeting is a very important tool for tracking your expenses. Write down your monthly expenses and see where you are spending too much. Cut unnecessary expenses. For example, if you drink coffee outside every day, you can make coffee at home and take it with you. This small thing can save you a lot of money every month. Simplify your lifestyle. Expensive gadgets, designer clothes, and fancy restaurants can give you short-term happiness, but they can affect your long-term financial goals. Remember, there will always be opportunities to spend money. The important thing is that you manage your money wisely and save for your future. Living below your means is a habit that can take you very far in life. Chapter 5. Friend, talent alone is not enough for success in life. Your network and relationships also play a very important role. Networking is not just about exchanging business cards, it's about building genuine relationships. Go to industry events, attend workshops, and join online communities. There you can meet people in your field, learn new ideas, and expand your network. Stay in touch with your mentors and peers, seek guidance from them, share your experiences, and learn from them. Remember, your network is your net worth. So build your network, nurture it, and add value to it. Building relationships takes time and effort, but it's a very valuable investment in your career and life. Outro. So friends, these are some important tips that can help you become rich in your 20s. Remember, becoming rich is not an overnight game. It requires dedication, hard work, and smart decisions. Focus on your goals, be consistent, and never give up. Your life is in your hands and you can achieve anything. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked this video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.